Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Those who have not watched yesterday's video, kindly please go and watch it once. It will give you confidence on the way we are planning our trades, we are executing our trades, everything, etc. We discussed 3 to 4 scenarios. If market opens flat, comes down, market opens flat, reacts from this demand, breaks this demand, and market opens flat and goes up, reacts from this supply or reacts from this supply. See, market opened gap up today. And where did it open? That matters a lot. It opened in the supply zone exactly. So it swept this liquidity and hunted this liquidity and started to come down, right? So the moment it started to come down, what do we see here? We see that this is the high, this is the low. Now we want this low to be broken so that we can confirm our position that market is going to go in a downtrend, look for a pullback and target this particular open demand which we have. So we can remove this particular supply now because this is no longer valid. I'll remove this drawing also. I'll remove this drawing also. This is what should be your thought process during the market hours. So all we have to do is we have to draw a line here because this is a last low which is created. We wanted to wait for a closure below this and then a pullback to a supply and then drive the market down. So what do we see here? We did not get a closure properly. Yeah, now we got a closure properly. So where is a candle? Which is the candle which caused this breakup structure? Is this small indecision candle, the one which I am drawing a box here. This is a small supply zone which is sitting here. So ideally, if the market comes back to this particular supply zone, we can short the market, keeping the swing point as our SL and keeping this as our target. As long as we get 1:3, that is a very good trade. This is why I always say, like, focus more on your process than anything else. See how long this trade took. Hard to hard, the execution time was somewhere close to 11:25 was our entry and 12:35 was our exit. It hardly took like 1 hour time. In this 1 hour time, you could have captured a lot of profits if you had planned your trade properly and if you have a plan before even the market opens or before even the market reacts in a particular way. All this is covered extensively in the course which I am selling. If you are interested to learn these concepts on your own so that you don't get to know that, okay, where is the market going to go, how will we enter the trade, where should we enter, where should be our SL, all this will be covered in the course. So I will just remove this for now. I'll remove this also for now. We'll go to a slightly higher time frame. This demand is no longer valid because market did not give a positive reaction from this demand. So we'll just go to a little bit higher time frame and we'll delete few drawings so that it is not confusing for us anymore. Allow me a minute. So this is supply which we have still as a gap, and these are the clear cut drawings which we have now. Okay, so what do we see from this market? Every time market came down to this region, market had a bounce. Whenever market went up to this region, market had a reversal. So the range which I told yesterday is somewhere between 23,800 on the upward range and 23,400 on the downward range. 300 to 400. You can keep somewhere this. So we can, many people, I told yesterday, like there can be a triangle pattern which can be formed. There can be a fake push which can be observed and market can reverse from there. If market breaks this demand which we have in 1 hour, this particular demand, if the market breaks this with a closure, okay, so what we can ideally see is market can rally down till this particular open demand which we have somewhere close to 23,160. There is no other open demands which is available because every candle you see is being retested and there are a lot of relative equal lows. If I just draw a small line, there is a lot of equal lows sitting in the market which will act as your liquidity. So eventually what will happen is, as part of liquidity is concerned, market will drive through this, give a closure, make you think that market is going to go down, market will pull back to a supply and then market will go down. So this is how liquidity eventually works. You need to make sure that you have to wait for a closure, don't hurry into a trade, wait for a pullback, then enter shorts aggressively. The moment you enter shorts aggressively here, you can have a very good move. This will happen only if market opens flat or small to small gap down, somewhere close to 23,500, 400. Wherever market opens here, I would like to see a strong closure here first, below this swing point, to be more precise, 23,400. If I get a strong closure below this, eventually then I would like to see a pullback. If market opens gap down, the last indecision candle will eventually act as your supply. So as part of gift nifty is concerned, for tomorrow it is showing 100 points gap down. So we can expect a gap down opening for tomorrow. As far as now is concerned, I will not know whether market will open gap down tomorrow or market will open flat tomorrow. Based on world scenarios, global scenarios, it can change tomorrow. But as far as now is concerned, market is slightly showing a gap down, which is ideally very good for us. So let market open gap down somewhere 23,500 ish range, and let market go down. Don't hurry into a trade. We wanted to see a closure here. We wanted to see a very big drive up here. And the moment we get a small negative reaction from this particular last indecision candle as part of closing, we will take the market down. This is going to be one of the A plus trades which I wanted to execute tomorrow. I am not going to discuss for other scenarios, meaning like if market opens gap down and drives through here directly, then I would be interested to see if I get a positive reaction from this to take the market higher. These two are the only scenarios I'm interested for tomorrow. Rest of the scenarios I'm not interested, because last 3-4 days we have made very good profit. Okay, every single day whatever analysis we have done, it has worked out perfectly. So there are 9 out of 10 chances that market will hunt out your profits tomorrow and take out everything what you have made in the last week. So my sincere advice is keep your quantity size extremely low tomorrow, because tomorrow is a Friday, weekend is coming. Spend as much time with your family. Family is topmost priority. Whatever happens in trading should not affect your personal life. Keep that as a point. Even if you don't wanted to trade tomorrow, it is absolutely fine. If you are trading, make sure you're trading in one lot or two lots, not more than that. Even I am reducing my lot sizes completely for tomorrow, because I am very happy with the week's progress which I made from Monday till now. I made pretty good profits even today. Okay, so I'm not saying for a specific boasting purpose out here. I'm saying you for a logical purpose out here. The moment you make good profits, your mind will have expanded into a way that okay, it's very easy to make money in the stock market. So you will think like, okay, tomorrow also I will go aggressive with a large quantity size. And the moment you see a very big loss, you will start regretting a lot. This will happen over the weekend also. I want you guys to be very happy during the weekend, so that whatever has happened tomorrow or during this week should not affect your personal life. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.